Come join us as we explore what most people consider to be the most expensive and luxurious resort on Disney World property, Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. The Grand Floridian Resort and Spa is a Victorian-style resort located directly across from the Magic Kingdom on Seven Seas Lagoon. It's made of several buildings, including the main building where all the shopping and dining options are, the convention center, the villas where all the DVC rooms are located, as well as the wedding pavilion. Starting out here in the main building of the Grand Floridian, you immediately notice the Victorian-style architecture. It is absolutely magnificent, but it really takes your breath away when you step inside. Inside the main building is where you'll find all of the shopping and most of your dining options here on property, including the Grand Floridian Cafe, 1900 Park Fair, the Enchanted Rose, and even the most expensive restaurant in Disney, Victoria and Albert's. On the second floor of the main lobby is where you're going to be able to catch the monorail and take it over to the Magic Kingdom, the other Magic Kingdom resorts, or over to the Transportation and Ticket Center to transfer over the Epcot monorail line. Just outside the main building is where you'll find the main resort pool, as well as the splash pad for the kids, complete with its own water slide. Most of the buildings in the surrounding area are dedicated rooms for the resort, but if you want to see inside, go check out our Grand Floridian room tour.
Why yes, Milford, I do believe we need a third butler.
Now that we've seen all that the main lobby area has to see, let's take a stroll to my favorite area of the resort, the boat dock and Narcoossee's. The boat dock is incredible with ease of getting to the Magic Kingdom and views of the water and the monorail. I don't think it could get much better, except it does with Narcoossee's right here serving incredible food with matching views. We can't wait to eat here and bring you guys along. Thank you so much for walking around this incredible resort with us. We hope you enjoyed it. If you like this kind of content, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out our small channel. But with all that being said, don't forget to keep the wanderlust alive, and we'll see you somewhere.